Okay, here's a quick video on a 1965 Lincoln Continental on how to troubleshoot your starting issues. Sometimes when you go in, you turn on your key and nothing's happening. Your starter is not turning over, not cranking over, and you don't know what to do. So first thing you need to do is make sure that your battery terminals are on tight, that it's not loose, all right? And then next you need to understand that the battery sends power to your ignition switch. When you turn on to the starting position, the hot wire, that power is sent down to your neutral safety switch down on the bottom of the steering column. And from there, if it's on a park or neutral position, the wire should engage and power should engage and send power to here. This wire right here, this is your S terminal of your starter solenoid. This would then trigger and allow the wire here that's connected to the battery to be sent down to your starter and get your engine cranking. So once you make sure that there's the battery terminals are good to go, what you're going to do is use a screwdriver, pop that thing out, and jump the power from there to there to see if your starter is engaging. If you do this and your starter engages, that means that your starter is fine. That means that there's something going on between the starter solenoid and your ignition switch there. So the next thing you know is if you do this and your starter is cranking, then you need to take that wire, have someone turn the key to the starting position, use a voltmeter, and test and see whether there's 12 volt coming out of that wire. If there's no voltage coming out of that wire, that means that there's no power going down from the neutral safety switch down there. And that's the next step, is you go down there to the neutral safety switch, turn on to the starting position, and see if there's power being sent down to the neutral safety switch, and if it's in the right park or the neutral position. And from there, you work your way backward. You know, if there's no power there, then work your way up to the ignition switch and see if there's any power going into the ignition switch. And that's how you solve this problem. Okay? Hope that helps. Bye now.